Look, as far as the investigation is concerned, a thorough, transparent investigation is on. And I use the word transparent because the family is updated constantly by the highest officers of the police force about the progress that is being made.
No, the parents are also before us.
Yes, if your lordship so desires, I shall not, for the purpose investigation, I would not, because your lordship kindly see that social media is full of incorrect statements. Not the problem of social incorrect, even in one of the writ petitions, one boy's name has been taken. Social media is flashing the picture of one boy. He is a boy from humble background in the district of Bankura. He is very much present over here. His picture is being flashed that he's missing.
That we can't do anything.
That is only.
We can't gag the press, no?
No, may I only? No, this is not gagging the press.
At the end of the day, the parents who are now before court, importantly, we have granted leave for the parents of the victim to file the writ petition. So, what does the Honorable Supreme Court say? To transfer investigation, the court should be satisfied that the investigation is not proceeding in the manner it should proceed, or it doesn't instill confidence on the persons concerned, more particularly the family of the victim. So, state police undoubtedly has been done some investigation. I think picked up one person has been arrested till now. Of course, we also read these newspapers. We can't be without news. There is a statement from the highest authority of the state stating that some ultimatum has been granted till Sunday. If nothing happens, the state is willing to transfer it to the central agency. That's the statement we read. Maybe right or wrong, that's up to the state to make a submission. But you will have to cover all these angles.
Everything with deepest respect, may I file a report in the shortest time that your lordship fixes? I will, with the full details of the investigation in a sealed cover before your lordship, for your lordship.
My lord, only what is the assurance you will give to the doctors? The doctors are on strike. They are, as I said, that you can't ignore their feelings. The state missionary should enter into a dialogue with them, because it is such a noble profession. The innocent patients shouldn't suffer. It's not that they purposely want to do it, but the incident is so gruesome as portrayed in the press as well as in the writ petitions, is so gruesome. They are justified. They are justified in a way. How do they express their emotion? So what they feel is, if it has happened to X, why will not happen to?
Absolutely, 100%. I'm not for a moment, because I'm not treating this matter as adversary.
And they want some CCTV, the place to be illuminated.
That will be done.
These are all basic things.
I think my lordships kindly see how the investigation is going on. Yesterday, the principal resigned from his post. Now he has been assigned his in National Medical College.
In my writ petition, I have sought that the erstwhile principal as well as the erstwhile MSVP to be made and accused in the criminal proceeding, because they cannot shrug away from the responsibility.
That is 6th and 7th.
Okay. The expert had interacted yesterday when I had been to the place to express my solidarity. They said the postmortem report indicates this sort of injury could not have happened only by one single individual. There must be multiple action by multiple persons. Postmortem of the person. Therefore, this requires the investigation.
I dispute. Because
they will definitely.
I will, as I said, I will file an exhaustive, detailed report as far as the entire examination. For your lordship.
But what they say is, prima facie opinion is that this assault could not have been committed by a single person.
That is not correct. Because I am saying, I'm a humble submission is, I have taken specific instruction on that. That when it is a case of multiple, the nature of injuries would be slightly different. I don't want to say all this in open court.
Experts, they have categorically made this statement. Let us, a forensic expert engaged in government health service. Who? They are, yes, if he wants to get the name, I'll get the name. Give
No,
the
no,
name.
don't tell the name.
It's not necessary. But prima facie, it is a case where the parents also feel that this couldn't have been done by a person who intended to only commit rape.
Nothing to hide. I'm not doing. I am carrying out an extremely transparent investigation, and I shall bring that out. I myself volunteered.
Because this is not a private dispute, sir.
Yes.
It is
It's
not.
not a private.
I am.
My lord,
taking-
only one thing. I would beg to dispute.
Doing everything.
I would beg to dispute with the submissions as has been advanced by Mr. Banerjee. My lord, I have annexed a newspaper
This is
article in page number. Yes. And the video evidence are also there. I can produce it before the court. The family members were not made allowed after the body was taken away. The family members absolutely had no idea.
Somebody comes with an affidavit saying that the principal said it was a case of psychosis. He blamed the victim. Then it's a very serious matter.
In the morning says I'm resigning for the government servants. In the evening, he's appointed principal of another adjacent medical college.
We are here, my lord, on the gruesome incident that has happened and the investigation. My lord would kindly.
And the attending circumstances.
Yes, my lord, that is why.
In the incident, the investigation and the attending circumstances.
From the part of the state. It was at the very outset that had come from the highest authority of the state that it should be immediately transferred to the CBI. Now she comes up with a statement saying that after 7 days. So, my lord, this is absolutely suspicious. Within this 7 days, evidence would be wiped out. My lord, I have annexed a newspaper article with this, which says, page number 21 of my application, no objection to CBI probe, says the highest authority of the state on the very next day. Now, my lord, she comes up with a statement after 7 days. So this 7 days is very crucial for wiping out the evidence.
On all these things,
Lord,
how to handle medical legal cases.
Maharaj, this is the same
May I
principal
say,
who during COVID-19 was held responsible for ventilators there was a huge scam with regard to ventilators, and this person is the sole accused. Nothing was done. He was transferred within 48 hours, he was brought back. He was transferred to Murshidabad. Within 1 month, he was brought back. Last year in 2023, there was a massive ragging scandal in Maniktala, RG Kaur hostel. Everything was hushed up. He is so powerful, nobody can touch him. And Maharaj, this is all on record. 2023, any student who opposes this man is ragged in the hostel. And it is on record, but they will do nothing.
Then
I am not
he is
promoting.
occupying an administrative post.
Absolutely.
If he heads the medical department, he heads the surgical department, orthopedic department is a different matter. Once he becomes a principal or a superintendent, he is an administrator. If he is an administrator, you should have recorded a statement from him. Why do you protect? Let him tell the truth. That statement is the basis, sir.
Thereafter, after the parents arrived and they expressed their anguish of not being allowed in, there was a commotion. This was immediately informed to the higher officials over there. This commotion happened as after their arrival at 1 o'clock. Immediately by 1:10, they were given access into the seminar hall.
According to the 3 hours is
No, within 10 minutes, they were taken. After the parents were brought inside the seminar room, they were given a chair to sit over there. I have this side of where the body was. Entire allegation made so far that we made them wait for 3 hours is,
that
I'm
we have
sorry,
brought.
my lord, is not a correct statement.